I think this is very much considering what we know is happening to sleep in our education populations right now. Hardly people are sleeping. The children in school and colleges hardly sleep. So in fact, to put that into context, it would make a big difference in child's acing an exam versus failing it miserably by 40% if they don't sleep well. And we are gone on to discover what goes wrong within our brain to produce these types of learning disabilities. And the structure and the sides, the right side of the brain, called the hippocampus. So these are the brains which are brain activities which are helping in our memory. So it's very good at receiving new memory files when you sleep well, and then holding on to them for a longer time. When you look at the structure in those people who had full night's sleep, we saw lots of healthy learning related activity. Yet in those people who were sleep deprived, we actually couldn't find any significant signal whatsoever. So it's almost as though sleep deprivation had shut down memory inbox. So any new incoming files, they were just being bounced back. You couldn't effectively communicate or new experiences to the memory. So that's very bad, isn't it? And if I were to take sleep away from you, but let me just come back to that control group for a second. Do you remember those folks who had 8 hours of sleep? Well, we can ask a different set of questions. What is the psychological and physiological quality of the sleep which you get? So it said that it restores and enhances memory and learning ability each and every day to people who have slept well. That is what the response was from people who slept at least 8 hours a day.